Good morning, teacher. I share my presentation. Easy ways to improve purchasing. Plan for purchasing. We will and there is 9 wax 9 suppliers. We will only many options to warranty quality. He is going to do auditing in business. Focus on qualities. I am going to analyze the process of the product that we need. Build longer supplier relationships. There are many studies to do before closing the business. Is going to work in longer relationships. Understand your inventory current costs. I will reduce the amount of stored products. He going to do an inventory calculation. Negotiate constantly. There are many agreements to review. You have to have a lot of responsibility. They have to object. Thank you very much for your attention.